Hello guys, compliment of the season. You can see what is getting all right there. That's a charging IC, and this phone is iPhone XR. I'm making this video mainly for the beginners because it's somehow confusing when you encounter this kind of things. You see, when you inject footage through battery connector, this is mostly what you are going to get, because the power you are injecting is going through the battery, through the charging IC, and after the charging IC, then the power is being distributed throughout the motherboard. And for this reason, when something else after the charging IC is shorted, most of the time what will get out is the charging IC. So now to find out what is actually shorted is you have to inject the footage from the pp_VDD. That is the main power rate for iPhone. So the name is pp_VDD main, pp_VDD main. That is the right way. That is the right point to inject the footage. You see, when I injected the footage from the main VCC, from the main power array, you see another capacitor was shorted, was eaten up, and once I removed the capacitor, the short was gone. And you see, if you notice, I did not remove the capacitor with hot air because that place is very dangerous. From the other side we have CPU, and from the other side we have our main power IC. So using hot air around that spot is very dangerous because something could get shorted again and the phone may die. So I have to use sodium ion, or I can use any sharp object to carefully remove the capacitor. So now the short is gone, and now I'm placing the motherboard back into the casing, and hopefully this phone is coming up again. So that's it. Normally I don't like making video of how to remove shorted capacitor because it's already for the internet. So I like, and again, you know, when customers see technician doing something like this, they believe our work is cheap or easy, something like that. So I don't like making video like this, but at least for the sake of beginners. So because some people, you know, when they started repairing phone, they watch a lot of videos online and they practice on their own, and sometimes they get confused. So now I believe this video will help someone out there, and thanks for watching. So keep following for more video like this. I will keep releasing good educated video like this. So thank you guys, see you on the next one.